We're in the oldest house.
Yes.
This part was built in 1646.
Yes, yes, yes. It's there, it's there, it's there, it's there.
A lot of the old artifacts in here. Why do you think if this was built, why do you think, Kathy, if this was built in 1646, it's called the oldest house in the United States? Because right below us,
Yeah.
this was an old Native American pueblo, and down below us there are more ruins. They used to have it where you could see down into it, and apparently you can't see that today, and they've covered it up. But we're going to find out more about it. Why the oldest house? You can read about this stuff. There was no Jamestown. There was no Plymouth Rock. There were no Dutch in New York. There were no French-Canadian fur trappers. No Canada. There were no Russians in California.
Yeah, I understand that. Yeah,
But none
I get surprised sometimes when people are trying to
was
buy
built
because
before 1435. And we used to be able to see that.